Can you please?
Sam, I'm sorry, but no.
Since my parents won't let me get it, it's just that I need it.
Sam, I love you. You're my best friend. I'm sorry your parents won't let you get this. You're smart. I believe in you. You can ace all your ACTs and all your other classes literally without it. I need it. I can be the first one in my family to finally get to college. You aren't in the same situation.
You're right.
Sally? I'm Dr. Sordy. How are you doing today, Sally?
I'm okay. Actually, I'm excited.
I'm glad to hear that. Of course, you've already read the effects and the power the chip has, but legally, I have to remind you of them before I put it on. This chip will be inserted in the back of the user's head, and this chip serves to enhance the user's intelligence and academic skill. The user's efficiency and critical thinking will significantly improve by about 50% of their intellect from before it was installed. The chip receives its power from black boxes stationed around the student's school. If the box malfunctions, the chip will cease to function. There are 4 placed in the schools whose students use these chips. 1 in the cafeteria, 1 in the gym, 1 in the office, and 1 in a randomly selected classroom, which varies between schools.
Sally worked at superhuman speed. She was as fast as a race car, and to her, everyone else was as slow as a turtle.
My grades skyrocketed, and Sam's went down because he spent more time on ACT studying than his homework. A few days before the ACT, Sam and I had a fight.
Hey, Sally.
Hey. So, are you ready for the ACT tomorrow?
Sally, screw you.
I was just asking a question.
A condescending one.
Look, I can't help it that my parents let me get it and yours won't. I get why you're jealous, and you have a right to be. But can you try to be happy for me? Can you try and respect this for me? Can you try and respect that I'll at least be the first one in my family to get to college? Your family has run off for generations. You don't need the chip. I need the chip.
It's not like it's easy for me either. I'm in so many extracurriculars, so many AP classes, and I can't get out of them. My parents won't let me do that. Finding time to study for the ACT that you don't even need to study for, it's not easy. My parents won't let me get the chip. They have too high expectations of me. But I'm not as smart as they think. I'm just a human being.
That's not my fault. I know you're smart. I know you can pass without the chip.
What if I disappoint my family? What if I fail? What if I don't get into a good college? My family will never accept me. If you fail the ACT, then...
Then what? Say it. Then I have less to lose? Then we'll just have to wait for the next generation? Screw you, Sam. Never talk to me again.
Then came the day of the ACT.
It's not fair. It's not fair! Sam!
Your chip has malfunctioned. Your chip has malfunctioned.
Since my parents won't let me get it, it's just that I need it.
You're smart. I believe in you. You can ace all your ACTs and all your other classes literally without it.
Sally, screw you.